ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थ विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थ विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
त्र्यशीतितम श्लोकः पञ्चमहाभूत विवेक प्रकरणे। 83rd श्लोक। ननु सद्वस्तु पार्थक्यादसत्त्वं चेत् तदा कथम्।
ननु सद्वस्तु पार्थक्यादसत्त्वं चेत् तदा कथम्।
अव्यक्तमाया वैषम्यादमायामयतापि नो।
अव्यक्तमाया वैषम्यादमायामयतापि नो।
निस्तत्त्वरूपतैवात्र मायात्वस्य प्रयोजिका।
निस्तत्त्वरूपतैवात्र मायात्वस्य प्रयोजिका।
सा शक्ति कार्ययोस्तुल्या व्यक्ताव्यक्तत्वभेदिनोः
सा
सा
शक्तिकार्ययोन्या
शक्तिकार्ययोन्या
व्यक्ता
व्यक्ताव्यक्तत्वभेदिनोः
व्यक्तत्वभेनोः
सदसत्त्वविवेकस्य प्रस्तुत्वात् सचिन्त्यताम्
सदसत्त्वविवे
प्रस्तुतत्वात्
ओके
सदसत्त्वविवेकस्य प्रस्तुतत्वात् सचिन्त्यताम्
सदसत्त्वविवेकस्य
सदसत्त्वविवेकस्य प्रस्तुतत्वात्
प्रस्तुतत्वात्
चिन्त्यताम्
सचिन्त्यताम्
असतो वान्तरो भेद आस्तां तच्चिन्तयात्र किम्
असतो
वान्तरो
वान्तरो
भेद
भेद
आस्तां
आस्तां
तच्चिन्तयात्र किम्
सत्तयात्र किम्
सद्वस्तु ब्रह्मशिष्टोंशो वायुर्मिथ्या यथा वियत्
सद्वस्तु
सद्वस्तु
ब्रह्मशिष्टोऽंशो
ब्रह्मशिष्टोऽंशो
वायुर्मिथ्या यथा वियत्
वायुर्मिथ्या यत्
वासयित्वा चिरं वायोर्मिथ्यात्वं मरुतं त्यजेत्
वासयित्वा
चिरं
चिरं
वायोर्मिथ्यात्वं मरुतं
वायोर्मिथ्यात्वं
त्यजेत्
मरुतं त्यजेत्
चिन्तयेद्वन्निमप्येवं मरुतो न्यूनवर्तिनम्
चिन्तयेन्निमप्येवं
चिन्तयेद्वन्निमप्येवं
मरुतो
मरुतो
न्यूनवर्तिनम्
नवर्तिनम्
ब्रह्माण्डावरणेष्वेषा न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
ब्रह्माण्डावरणे
ब्रह्माण्डावरणे
शेषा
शेषा न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
एतत् पर्यन्तं दृष्टवन्तः simple shlokas all this just summarize as somebody requested to say in English also 83rd shloka शिष्यस्य संशयः अथवा आक्षेपः ननु शिष्यस्य आक्षेपः वायुः भिन्नः वायु is different कस्मात् भिन्नः सद्वस्तुनः वायुः भिन्नः सद्वस्तु पार्थक्यात् भिन्नत्वात् भिन्नत्वात् सद्वस्तुनः भिन्नत्वात् एव असत् असत्वं चेत् असत्वं चेत् वायु is different from sadvastu भिन्नत्वात् that is a hetu पार्थक्यात् भिन्नत्वात् भिन्नत्वात् असत्वं the status of being asat इति उच्यते इति चेत् असत्वं मिथ्याभूतः मिथ्याभूतत्वं वायुः तु व्यक्तमाया वायुः इन्द्रियगोचरः वायुः माया अव्यक्तमाया व्यक्तमाया इन्द्रियगोचरी भवति व्यक्तमाया सो वायुः व्यक्तत्वात् इन्द्रियगोचरः व्हाट अबाउट माया इंद्रिय अगोचर भूता माया माया तो इंद्रिय अगोचर भूता अतः it is different vayu is different from maya मायायाः वायुः भिन्नः Therefore, Vayuhu, therefore, Vayoho Amaya-mayatam iti kimartham vaktum na shakyate. That is the question. The question to be understood. Shishyasya prashnaha. Vayu is different from Sadvastu. When it is different from Sadvastu, Asat iti uchyate. So Vailakshanyam eva etuhu iti Shishyaha chintayati. If one thing is different from the other thing, Vailakshanya, that is a hetu iti the Shishya thinks. So therefore, he says, Vayu, which is Maya Karya, it is Vyakta Maya, Karya, Maya Karya, different from the Karani Bhuta Maya, Avyakta Maya. Because it is different from Avyakta Maya, Vinnatvad. Vinnatvad, why don't we say it as Sat? Vayuhu Maya Mayatam Vaishamyat Maya Mayatam na. No means na u. U iti particle. Indeed. No means just naha. No, after that danda is there. So it is not visarga. So no sandhi possible there. It is not naha asmakam. Na u. Na. Na amaya mayatam. Amaya mayatam is opposite of maya mayatam. Maya mayatam or Nityatvam, Maya Mayatam or Maya Mayatvam, both mean the same. Only the pratyas are different. Maya Mayatam, the status of being Maya Mayatam, Tasya Bhava, Tvatalota, Tal Pratyaha, or Maya Mayatvam. Tva Pratyaya or Tal Pratyaya in the same meaning, Tasya Bhavaha. Maya Mayatvam, Mayasya Bhavaha, Maya Mayata, or Maya Mayatvam. Any pratyaya can be used to mean the same thing, the status of being Maya Maya. So this Maya Mayata or Maya Mayatam is equal to Nityatvam, is equal to Nistatvam, Nistatva Rupatvam. All mean the same. Opposite of Maya Mayatam is Amaya Mayatam, Amaya Mayatvam or Amaya Mayata. So Vaishamyat, because it is Avyakta Maya Vaishamyat, because different from Avyakta Maya, what? Vayu. Sadvastunah Partakyat Asattvamiti chet Avyaktamayaya Vaishamyat Amaya Mayatam iti kimartham vaktum na shakyate. You say Sadvastunah Vayuhu Binnaha, therefore you say Asat, Vayuhu Asatiti. Avyaktamayaya Binnaha Vayuhu. Therefore, why don't we call it as Sat Amaya Mayata Api na katam vaktum shakyate. Vailakshanyam eva etuhu iti Shishyaha chintayati. Maya mayatve Vailakshanyam eva Vilakshanata eva etuhu iti. That is not the hetu. It's a wrong understanding. Therefore, Acharya says, Nistatva rupata eva atra Mayatvasya prayojika. What is the contributing factor? Prayojika, establishing factor. The important factor. The most contributing factor, the factor which helps in establishing the Maya Mayatvam is Nistatva Rupatvam eva. Nistatva Rupata. Nistatva Rupata plus eva Nistatva Rupataiva plus atra सवनदीर्घ संधि निस्तत्व रूपतैवात्र निस्तत्व रूपत्वम निस्तत्वम रूपम यस्य तत् यस्य निस्तत्व रूपत्वम तस्य भावः निस्तत्व रूपस्य भावः निस्तत्व रूपत्वम इति निस्तत्व रूपा माया इति we saw before. Here it is nistatva rupatvam. The maya mayatvam. Maya, the status of being a maya mayatvam. Maya yaha bhavaha maya mayat. Maya yaha bhavaha mayatvam. Tasya maya mayattasya. Prayojika prayojanam. Nistatva rupata means tattva rahita. There is no tattvam, there is no substance. Tattva rahita rupata. There is not substance. It means it is asvatantraha ityartaha. Paradinaha. It is brahmadina maya. It doesn't exist independently. Namarupa, otherwise. Simple. Namarupa. So Namarupa, what is the adhishtanam for Namarupa? Gataha asti. Gataha iti keval Namarupam eva. Mridaha rupam tata nama gataha iti. Gatatvasya tattvam kim? Istattva rupatvam. Gataha na vidyate eva. Tarhi kim tat mrideva. Mritika eva satyam. The Chandogya Upanishad says, Mritika ityeva satyam. This Nama Rupa is Vacharambana Vikaro Namadeyam. Mritika ityeva satyam. It is just a word. Vacharambana. It is only in words. Gataha iti. It doesn't have any substance, Gataha. The content of Gata is Mrit. Nistatva Rupatam Gata. What is Gata? Similarly, Maya Mayatvam. Maya Mayatva Prayojika is Nistatva Rupata Tattva Rahita. Tattva Rahitatva. That is the contributing factor for Nistatva Rupat Mayatvasya eva. So, therefore, not a thing is different from another thing, therefore, we can say it is Sat or Asati iti. So, the Shishya thinks Vayu is different from Sadvastu, therefore, Asati you say. I will say Vayu is different from Avyaktamaya, therefore it is, therefore why don't we say it is not Maya Mayaha? Why we don't say it is a Sat? The same logic what you are giving, the same logic I am also giving. Because it is, why? Because Vayu is different from Sat, therefore you say Asat, I say, because it is different from Avyaktamaya, I will say it is Sat. Avyaktamaya Indriya Gocharam Maya. Maya, Abhyakta, Indriya Agochara, Bhutayaha, Mayaha, Binnaha, Vayu. Therefore, why don't we say Maya, Mayaha, Nabhavati, Amaya, Mayatvam, Vayuna, Vayoho, iti. No, we cannot say. Because that factor, what contributes for Mithyatvam, Maya, Mayatvam, is Nistatva Rupatvam, Tattva Rahityam. That alone contributes. Therefore, whether it is Avyaktamaya or Vyaktamaya, Avyaktamaya is Maya in the Avyakta Avastha. Srishte Prak. Before Srishti starts, Maya with Brahma, that Maya Sagita Brahma, before it undergoes change, becoming the Karya. Tasmad Atmana Sambhutaha Akashad Vayo Agnihi iti. Taittiriya Upanishadi Uktam. So, Maya Sarita Brahmanaha slowly undergoes change. Tapasa chiyate brahma tatonnama vijayate. The Mundaka Upanishad drishtameva. So Avyakta Maya, it undergoes change and it becomes first karya is Akashaha, then Akashat Vayuhu. In Tattvavada itself we have seen how it is slowly the other Bhutanis comes to existence. Akashat Vayuhu, Vayu Ragni, Agneha Apaha Prithvi, Prithivyam Oshadayaha iti, Oshadibhyo Annam, Annad Purushaha iti. That is Maya Karyam. Maya Shakti Avyakta Maya, Avyakta Maya. That is, so Maya Shakti it is Karanam, Maya Karya is the Pancha Bhutani, Pancha Bhautikani. Now, Acharya says beautifully, they are Tulya Bhavati, Shakti Karya Yogo, Tulyatam Asti. One is Vyakta, other one is Avyakta. So Vyakta Vyaktatva Bhedinogo, Shakti Karya Yogo. Shakti Karya Yoga means Maya, Avyakta Maya, Vyakta Maya Yogo, Maya Yogo. Avyakta Vyakta Maya Yogo. Vyakta Vyaktatva Bhedinogo. Shakti Karya Yoga, all are same. Instead of Shakti, I say Avyakta Maya. Instead of Karya, I say Vyakta Maya. That is what the Acharya also says. Vyakta, Avyakta. Vyakta, Avyakta. Vyakta, Avyaktatvam, the status of being. Manifest and unmanifest, that are the difference. Tayogo Vedaha, Vedinogo, Vedahasya asti iti Vedin, the difference between the two. They are Tulya Bhavati, Samana Bhavati. Why? Because Maya Shakti, that is Avyakta Maya, and Maya Karyam, they both enjoy the same order of reality. One may be Drishya, other may be Adrishya. One may be Vyakta, other may be Avyakta. Karanam is Avyakta. Karanam is Adrishya. Not available for perception. That is why I say Indriya, Agochara, Avyakta Maya. Vyakta Maya is, it is Vyakta, it is Indriya Gochari. It is Drishya. It has got the status of being perceivable. Drishyatvam asti Vyakta Maya yaha. Avyakta Maya yaha Adrishyatvam. So, the difference only is Drishyatvam, Adrishyatvam, Vyaktatvam, Avyaktatvam. That is the only difference. But they enjoy the same order of reality. Samana, Tulya, Bhavati. So therefore, and what Veda is there between these two? Three types of Veda is Swagata Veda, Sajatiya Veda, Vijatiya Veda. In fact, that is a statement, the Upanishad Vakya, in that we discuss this elaborately, this Sadeva Somyedam Agre Asit, Ekam Eva Advityam, Ekam Eva Advitiyam. For that, the three differences are negated. That we saw. There we saw the definitions. Swagata, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Vedaha, iti Trayaha, Vedatrayam, Vartate. Brahma doesn't have any of these differences. That is why it cannot be categorized. It is Paramarthika. These three Vedas, Swakata Veda, Sajatiya Veda, Vijatiya Veda. The Vyavaharika, three Vedas are there. What about for Brahma? It doesn't enjoy any Padartha in the Vyavahara. Will enjoy three Vedas. Maya Shakti, Maya Karya also. It is Vyavaharika, it is. Therefore, it enjoys Sajatiya Veda. Of course, it must enjoy Sajatiya Veda. Because in the Sajatiya Padarteshu, Vedaha, Santi eva. Differences must be there, will be there. Because Sajatiya Veda, differences must be there. Manushya Jati, Vedaha Santi. In terms of complexion, in terms of size, in terms of so many other things, differences are there. though they all belong to the same category, same jati, Manushya jati. Vedaha santi. Because Veda is there, therefore, as I said, Veda is there between Rama and Krishna. Veda in terms of Rupa. Veda in terms of Rupa, Veda in terms of Varna. Varnataha Vedaha asti, Rupataha Vedaha asti, Rama Krishna yoho. Tari Ramat Krishnaha Binnaha, Ramaha Manushyaha, Ramat Krishnaha Binnaha, Krishnaha Amanushyaha Bhavati va. Na. Veda is not the contributing factor for dismissing a thing as not that. With dismissing a thing. We cannot dismiss Krishna as not a human being because he is different from Rama. As we dismiss here Nistat here Mayamayat Pasya, Nistatva Rupa. Nistatva Rupa Tvam Eva Prayojika. That is a contributing factor to say a thing is Asat. Different from the Vastu, the Sat. Therefore it is Asat. It is not like that. It is that's the status of Nistatva Rupatvam. Therefore it is Asat. Not because it is different from Satvastu or not because a thing is different from Abhyaktamaya. You cannot say it is Sat or Asat iti. Nistatvam Rupatvam eva. Nistatva Rupatvam eva Maya Tvasya Prayojanam. Prayojika Bhavati. Not Vilakshanatvam, Vilakshanyam. Vilakshanatvam Etuhu na Bhavati. To say, to dismiss a thing from the other thing. Abhyakta Mayayaha Vayuhu Binnaha. Therefore, Vayu is not Maya Mayaha. Doesn't enjoy the status of Maya Mayatvam. That argument is wrong. Because whether it is Abhyakta Maya or Vyakta Maya, they are Tulya Eva. They enjoy the same order of reality, or in other words, they have Sajatiya Veda between them. Sajatiya Padarteshu Maya Karyayoho, Shakti Karyayoho Vedaha Santi eva Ataha Sa Tulya eva. Maya Sa Tulya Nistatva Rupata Tulya eva. Sa referring to Nistatva Rupata. Nistatva Rupam is Tulya eva between the Maya and the Maya Karya. Maya Shakti and Maya Karya. Avyakta Maya and Vyakta Maya. Even though they are different, but what is Tulya is Nistatva Rupata. Therefore only Vidya. Therefore only Asat. Vayuhu now. Vayuhu is what? It is Karya. Maya Karya. Tulyatvat. Tulyatvat. Samanatvat. Nistatva Rupatvat. Tulyamiti Vuktam. Therefore, Vayoho Maya Mayatvam Siddham Eva. Therefore, it is Asat Vasavanam Asat only Iti Acharya removes the confusion in the mind of the student. That is what I said in the aspects in Sanskritam. It must be clear now. And the Acharya makes it very clear in the next shloka. Sadasatva Vivekasya Prastutatvat. The discussion here is not about the differences existing between the Sajatiya differences, Veda, existing between the Padartha. That is not the discussion. We are not discussing Mitya Viveka. Mitya Viveka. We are not discussing Asat Viveka. Asatva Vivekasya. Asatva Vivekaha na Prastuta Vishayaha Atra. That is not the Vishaya. We are not discussing the differences, or we are not discriminating that the two things which are Asat, Mithya Padartha. Between Mithya Padarthas, differences will be there. That is not the discussion. What Viveka is required. The Mithya Padartha is Mithya. Rupatvat Mithya. Another Mithya Padartha, another Padartha Mithya. Rupatvat Mithya eva. Both are Basamanam Asat, Asat Mithya eva. What Viveka is required? Viveka is not required. It is Mithya eva. That is not, and it is, the differences are obvious. The differences are obvious. Therefore, Amra Viksha, Narikela Viksha. Differences are obvious. What Viveka is required. Tena kim prayojanamapi. Kimapi prayojanam nasti. Asatva Vivekena prayojanam nasti. Maybe that prayojanam will be there in the field of science. Vyavaharike. The behavior and the action and the features of a thing as it is different from other thing can be studied, and therefore it has utility in Vyavahara, but not in knowing the Vastu, understanding the Vastu. For understanding the Vastu, we need to bring in Sat. Then only Vastu is. Without Sat, Viveka, the discrimination between two Asat, by which what will you gain? Sat Jnanam? No. By which the differences between the two Asat, you will gain the knowledge of those two Padarthas, two Asat Padarthas only. Whatever maybe their utility in the Vyavahara. But it will not help you in gaining moksha. Mokshaha eva lakshaha. Mokshartam jnanam apekshate. Tasya jnanam. Brahmanaha jnanam. Brahma jnanam. Vastu jnanam. Tadartam vivekaha avashyakaha. Atah sadasat vivekaha. Therefore, sadasat vivekasya prastutatva. Saha eva arabdaha vishayaha. That is the Vishaya which is started. Prastutatvat, Arabdatvat. Therefore, Saha Chintyata. Let not your focus go somewhere else. What is the point in discussing the differences between the Mithya Padartha, Mithya Bhutas? There is no utility. Kimati Prayojan Nasti. Let not your focus go here and there. Asataha Avantara Vedaha Astam eva. Bhavatu eva. Avantara Vedaha, Asataha Vedaha, Asataha, between the Asat Vastus. Vedaha tu Vartate eva. Tat Chintaya Kim Prayojanam. Kim means what is the mean? What is the use? What is the benefit you gain? Tasya Chintaya Chintanena. Kimapi Prayojanam Nasti. Iti. Then Shishyasya Akshepasya Adva Samshayasya Prativachanam Gatva Acharyaha Atra Acharyan Atra Uktam Asti Yat Sadvastu Brahma Shishtamshaha. This also we saw. Sadvastu Brahma Shishtamshaha. In Vayu, what is the Shishta Amshaha? Shishta Amshaha, Avashishta Amshaha. Why we say Avashishtaha? Because that which remains after negating the Mithya that is Avashishta Amshaha. Therefore, in Vayu, Sadvastu Amsha is there. It is Brahma Shishtaha Amshaha. Sadvastu Brahma Shishtaha Amshaha. And what about Vayu? In Vayu, there are two Amsha. Vayu, there are Sat Amsha and Asat Amsha. Asat and Sat, two Amshas are there. Shishta Amshaha Brahma. Sadvastu Shishta Amshaha, that is Brahma. Sadvastu, which is the Shishta Amsha is that is Brahma. And what about Vayu? It is Asat. Therefore, it is Mithya. Yata Vyat, Yata Akashaha, Tadvat, Vayuhu Api. Therefore, Vayu is put together. Samhatatvat. Vayoho Swatantriyam Nasti. Vayoho Mayamayatvam Asti. Nistatta Rupatvam Asti. Vayu also, if we analyze. There we saw Vayoho Swarupam Kim. How many gunas Vayu has? Vayoho Gunaha. Vayu has got its 4 guna. Shoshaha, Sparshaha, Gatihi, Vegaha iti. Its own guna, Swagunaha, Swabhavaha, Tava Swabhavaha, Vayoho. And Traya Swabhavaha, Anya Swabhavaha, Karani Bhuta Swabhavaha, that is Satya Maya Vyomna, Api Vayu, Vayugaha, Vayu, Agachati. There Satya is that is the Shishtamsha. And Maya is Satya Rupata Maya. And Vyomnaha is Shabda Gunaha. That also Anuvartate Mayu. All are except Sat, that is Shishtamsha already told. Therefore, what about the other? They are all Mithya. Vayu itself is nothing Nama Rupa. Maya is Mithya, Visatya Rupatvam when we say. Therefore, the entire thing will be Mithya Eva. So, therefore, Sadvastu Asti, Vayuhu Asti. Sadvastu Brahma, Chishtaha Amshaha, Vayuhu, Mithya, Vasavanam Asat. Therefore, other than Sat, nothing else is that, nothing can be counted in Vayu as Shishta Amsha, other than Sat. Even though Vayu is there, it is only in, has got Vyavaharika utility. It has got utility only in Vyavaharika, Vayu. Vayu is like Gata, it is just a Nama Rupa. It doesn't exist apart from Sat. It is Sataha, Adinaha. Therefore, Mithya. Vayu Mithya, Yata Vyate, Yata Akashaha, iti Puram Dusham Dadvat. Atava, we can take like this. Vayoho Sataha Pratakkare. Vayoho Kimatmakam. Kimatmakaha Vayuhu. Yata Acharya, when he analyzed the Akasha, he asked this question. Kimatmakam Vyat. That is Akasha Sataha Pratakkare. Vyataha Sataha Pratakkare. When we separate Sat, Katham Pratakkaranam Bhavati. How do you separate? Put it in a test tube and do it in the lab. Separation? No. Buddhya, Buddhau, Pratakkaranam tu Buddhya Bhavati. In the Buddhi. In the cognition, cognitively you have to separate. Sat Vyomnaha Pratakkaranam Buddhau, Buddhya Karaniyam. Kritva Akashaha Vyat Mithya iti. Sat Satyam Astitvam Padarthasya Astitvam a Padartha enjoys Astitvam, that Astitvam belongs to Sat iti Yata Vivekaha Kritaha Purvam Tadvat Atrapi. Here also Vayoho Sataha Pratakkare Sati, when Sat is separated from Vayu, Kaha Kim Avashishtam Bhavati, Kaha Avashishtaha Bhavati, Vayuhu, and Vayuhu is Mithya. You can take, therefore we can take like that also, and therefore we say Vayuhu Shishtaha Amshaha, that Shishta Amsha of Vayu, that is Mithya. Therefore, Avashishta Amshaha is Brahma Eva, that cannot be negated. So other than Satya, nothing else count. Therefore, Vayu Mithya Bhavati. But since Vayu is Mithya, therefore the Shishta Amsha Sat, that is Tasya Nishedaha kenapi kartum na shakyate. That will be there through all the karyas. Therefore, other than Sat, nothing else remains. We have to do this Viveka in the intellectual, in the mind. Therefore, the Sat Amsha of Vayu is Brahma. All other things, Nitya, Yathaviyate. Therefore, Kimatmakam Bruhi, Kimatmakaha Vayu Bruhi, Iti Trichet Tari, Vayu Asat, Basamanam Asat. Therefore, Vasagitva, Dridikritya Manasi, Yata येन प्रकारेण उक्तं तेन विचारं कृत्वा मनसि दृढीकृत्य वायोः मिथ्यात्वं दृढीकृत्य वायुः मिथ्या इति मरुतं त्यजेत्. Give up the satyatvam which is attributed to Vayu. So therefore Vayu is mithya. Akashah mithya iti दृढीकृतं. कुत्र सत् व्योम्न विवेके. सत् व्योम्न विवेक द्वारा व्यत व्यत व्यतः मिथ्यात्वं सिद्धं. Therefore व्यत akasha is given up. Now vayogo mityatvam siddham. Therefore give up vayu also. Slowly if we give up the bhutas, then bhautikas also you have to give up. Then comes to the sharira, bhautikam. Therefore sharira abhimanam also should be given up. That is a viveka. Giving up that which you cannot give up, that is you. That is satamsha, that is sat, that is chit, and that cannot be given up because who will give up? Who will give up? There is no giver. There is no giver to give up that. That cannot be given up. There is no negator. There must be negator to negate. And that no negator to negate that. That by which everything is negated and that cannot be negated is you. Therefore, that unnegatable you, that alone will remain. That is jnana. This is what Acharya slowly is going to take us to that. So this all we have seen now, the 87th. That also we saw, Chintayet Vanni, last class, 87th. Marutaha Nyunavartinam. Marutaha Nyunavartinam. There's less pervasive. It is less pervasive. Similarly, Chintayet Vannihi api. So here he starts Vanni, Sadvanni, Vivekaha. Viveka between the Sat Vastu and the next Bhuta, Agnihi. So Agni, Viveka. Yada Akasha, Viveka, Vayu Viveka, then Tadvat, Vanni Vivekaha. Akashasya न्यून वर्तित्वम् अस्ति. न्यूनवर्ति आकाशः compared to Sat. Sat is all pervasive. Akasha is less pervasive compared to Sat. In fact, nothing can be compared to Sat. Since we are doing Viveka, therefore we are just comparing. Sat is all pervasive. All pervasive means what is all? It's not, everything is, we say all, everything, it is also relative. Everything is Sat. Akasha is nothing. Atyatishtat dashangulam. It is untouched Sat. It is all pervasive, unlimited, total, purnam. Therefore, comparing for the first element being Akasha. Therefore, Akashasya Nyunavartitvam asti. It is less pervasive. Akasha, the first element, and Vayu, the second, because it is born from Akasha Brahma. It must be still less pervasive, less pervasive than Akasha. Akasha. Vayogo Nyunavartitvam asti. Marutaha Nyunavartitvam Chintayet. Yata Chintayet. Yata Chintitam Purvam Tadvat Vannehe api Nyunavartinam Chintayet. Think about the less pervasiveness of Vannihi, Agnihi. May you do the vichara of Agnihi. Vichara of Agnihi. Therefore, Nyunavartinatvam. Yatha Vayoho Nyunavartinam Nyunavartinatvam Nyunavartinatvasya Chintaram Kritam Tadvat Agnehe api. Agnyas less pervasiveness. Therefore, this Nyuna Adhika Vicharana, this method, the Vichara of the less and more pervasiveness, which is in the nature of the elements. Nature of elements, it is Nyuna Adhika Vicharana. It is not the author imagines it's Nyuna Adhika Vicharana. It is said in the Purana. Brahmanda Abharaneshu Esha. Esha Nyuna Adhika Vicharana Natu Mama Kapola Kalpitam Tatush Puraneshu Uktam iti Acharyaha Vadati Yatra. It is not something which I am saying. It is Puraneshu Ukta. Ka Ukta? Yesha Vicharana Ukta. Nyuna Adhika Vicharana, Yesha Vicharana, Puraneshu, Brahmanda, Abharaneshu. Brahmanda can be Brahmanda Purana, or we can take Brahmanda to be Brahmanda itself. It is Ukta there. So each element is successively more pervasive than the previous element. If you take from Prithvi, Prithvi is less pervasive. Apaha more. Agnihi more. Vayu still more. Akasha is the most pervasive among the elements. Successively, it is more pervasive. Starting from Prithvi, as we go up to Brahmanda Avarana, the entire physical world is enveloped by Avarana, covered by Avarana, covered by these different elements. Beginning from Prithvi, which is by Prithvi because it is the most perceivable. Because it has 5 gunas, therefore all the 5 sense organs can pick up Prithvi. It is grossest. Because it is grossest. Stulatvat. Tasya Nyunatvam asti. Nyuna deshikatvam. Nyuna vartitvam asti. Because it is grossest. What is the condition for less pervasiveness? The element is grossest. That will have less pervasiveness. Prithvi is grossest. Therefore, its pervasiveness is the least one among the elements, 5 elements. Akasha is Sukshmatva, Ati Sukshmatva. Sukshmataram Sat Vastu Brahma. That is different. But and among the elements, Sukshmatvam, Sukshma Taratvam Asti. Or Sukshma Tamatvam among the elements. Sukshma Tamatva Bhuteshu Akashasya. Tasya Adhika Desha Vartitvam Asti. It is more pervasive Akasha among the elements. Therefore, the entire Jagat, Brahmanda Avaraneshu, enveloped by these elements, different elements, starting from Prithvi onwards, which is for which Prithvi the Karanam is Apa Brahma, for which the Karanam is Agni Brahma, for which the Karanam is Vayu Brahma, for which the Karanam is Akasha Brahma, for which the Karanam is Maya Brahma, Maya Sakita Brahma. So, therefore, the entire Prithvi is enveloped by these different elements. Each succeeding one from the down, from Prithvi onwards, is a Karanam for the each preceding one is a Karanam for the succeeding one. The Apa Brahma is a Karanam for Prithvi, Karya. Prithvi is a Karyam. Apa Brahma is the Karanam. For Apa Brahma, which is Apaha, that is a Karyam for which the Karanam is Agni Brahma. Agni is the Karyam for which the Karanam is Vayu Brahma. Vayu is the Karyam for which the Karanam is Akasha Brahma. So, Karya will be stula. Karya will be stula. Karanam will be sukshma, relatively. Even if Karya is sukshma, Karanam will be ati sukshma. Karanatva. Akashah, Akashasya sukshmatvam asti, sukshmatamatvam asti. Akashah Karanam asti. Kasya Akashah Vayoho. Vayuhu Karyam Akashah Karanam. Karanatvat Akashah Sukshmaha. Vayuhu Karyatvat. Vayoho Karyatvam asti. Ataha Vayuhu compared to Akasha. It is, if Vayu is Sukshma Tamaha, Vayoho Sukshma Tamatvam asti, tarhi if Akashasya Sukshma Tamatvam asti, Vayoho Sukshma Taratvam. It is relatively subtler. So Karanam will be subtle, Karyam will be less subtle. By that order, Akasha is the Karanam of all. Therefore, it is subtlest. Sukshma Tamatvat. Tasya Adhika Desha Vartitvam asti. And finally, the element is Prithvi. Tasya Karyatvat. It is the last one, last Karya. Therefore, it Karyatvat. Stulatvam asti. Nyuna Desha Vartitvam asti. Therefore, Nyuna Adhika Vicharana, Yesha Nyuna Adhika Vicharana, Brahmanda Puraneshu, Bhagavata Puraneshu, Ukta Asti. It is said, therefore, Natu Mama Kapola Kalpita, Natu Mama Kapola Kalpita, Yesha Vicharana, Satu Puraneshu Ukta Eva Iti. Brahmanda Avareneshu Yesha Vicharana. This Vichara, the discussion, this Taratamya discussion, it is there. Therefore, this Brahmanda, it is covered in 8 layers. Panchabhuta, then Magat, Akankaraha, then Abhyakta. Bhumirapo Vayu Kamano Buddhi Revacha Akankara Iti Yamme Bhinna Prakriti Ashtada Gitayamati Uktam Saptama Adhyaya. The 8 avaranas, that's Brahmanda Avarana. In the Purana, there is a Prakranam, Brahmanda Avarana Prakranam. Purana is also the valid Pramanam. Puranam also, even though it is Smriti. But when it contradicts Shruti, then we negate Smriti. But for this, Shruti also, considering to be a Pramana, therefore, Puranam, in the Puranam, these are said. So, Vayo, now, Tika, Vayo Uktam Vicharam, Tejasi api Atidishati. The Vicharaha, which is Uktam, the Vichara, the analysis which is talked about with regard to Vayu Vishayat, Vicharam Uktam, Tat, Tejasi, Vanni, Tejasi Vannau, Tejasi api Atidishati. With regard to Tejas, Agni here also extends the same discussion. Chintediti, may you think about that. May you do the Vichara. Chintayat means Vicharaha Kartavyaha. Yatakritaha Vayu Vicharaha Tadvat Atra Vanni Vicharaha api Kartavyaha. Chintayet. Nanu Sadvastuni Ekadeshastha Maya Tatra Ityadina Vyadadinam Nyuna Adhika Bhavaha Uktaha Saha Lokeda Kvapi Drishyati Iti Ashankyaha Brahmanda Iti. That Ekadeshastha Maya is Ekadeshastha Kasmin Sadvastuni. Tatra Ityadina Vyadadinam Akashadinam Nyuna Adhika Bhavaha. Nyuna less Adhika more. Bhavaha, the pervasiveness, it is Uktaha. It is not seen in the Loka, no, it is seen Brahmanda Avaraneshu. The Brahmanda Avarana, it is Drishyate Eva. We can take Brahmanda Avarana to be a Purana, or Brahmanda Avarana, it is the Loka itself. Avaraneshu covered the Loka. Iti. Now, 88. Ashta Shititama Shlokaha. Here, some measurements are given. These measurements are not literally, it's an idea. So the measurements should not be taken The words, the dashamshaha, that pervasiveness is talked about in terms of some measurement. That is not literal. It is just to show that one is less pervasive than the other. So that is a measurement. The measurement should not be taken literally. How can you measure? One is less pervasive, another how much? 1/10. 1/10 means we measure. It is just to show the taratamya between the elements, the bhutas. Let us read 88. वायोर्दशांशतो न्यूनो वह्निर्वायौ प्रकल्पितः
वायुर्दशांशतो न्यूनो
वह्निर्वायुप्रकल्पितः
वह्निर्वायुप्रकल्पितः
पुराणोक्तं तारतम्यं दशांशैर्भूतपञ्चके
पुराणोक्तं तारतम्यं
तारतम्यं
दशांशैर्भूतपञ्चके
वायोः दशांशतः, you can note the word दशांशतः, तसल तसल दशांशतः पञ्चम्यर्थे पञ्चम्यास्तसल यः दृष्टं संस्कृतकक्षायां तसल दश दश means 10 दश च ते अंशाः दशांशाः तैः दशांशैः कर्मधारय दशाम् अंश अंशाः दशांशाः दशांशैः ये दशांश the word दशांश then तः तस्पर्तय दशांश दश च ते अंशाः दशांशाः दशांशैः also either word and दशांशतः also either. The dashamsha is a pratipadika. Dasha cha amshaha te dashamsha iti pratipadikam. As a padam tritiya vibhakti ek laguvachan dashamshehi. As a naviya dashamsha plus tal pratyaya panchamyarte tal dashamshataha. Pratipadikam being same dashamsha. One is made a naviya, other is made a padam. दशांशैः तृतीया भगवचनम दशांशतः पंचम्यर्थे तल दशांशतः therefore is equal to what दशांशतः दशांशात् दश अंशात् इत्यर्थः पंचमी दशांशात् अंश means bhaga दशांशः भागशः अथवा 10 parts. वायोः दशांशतः न्यूनः वह्निः वायौ प्रकल्पितः इति पुराणेषु उक्तं पुराणेषु उक्तं पुराणोक्तं सप्तमी तत्पुरुष. It is said in the Purana means not in the old. Puraneshu, the Brahmanda Puraneshu uktam. Kim uktam? Taratamyam bhutapanchake bhutapanchakam bhutanam panchakam bhutapanchakam tasmin bhutapanchake Puraneshu uktam. This taratamyam dashamshaihi, a 10 part, that is dashamsha, that is as compared to vayu, vannihi dashamshatah nyunaha. Vayoho is Shashti Bhakti. Vayoho dashamshatah nyunaha. Kaha? Vannihi agnihi nyunaha bhavati. Dashamshatah nyunaha bhavati. It is 1/10. Dashamshatah means 1/10. 1/10. 1/10, it is Nyunaha, less. Compared to what? Vayu. Vayoho. Vayoho Dashamshataha Agnihi Nyunaha Asti. This is a sentence, Vakya. But to make Anvaya like that. Nyunaha. Nyunaha is Alpaha ityartaha. Nyunaha. Nyunadeshitvam. It is less pervasive. Pervasiveness. What? Agnihi. Agnehe Nyuna Desha Vartitvam Asti. How much, if you ask? Dashamshataha. Of what? Vayoho. So as compared to Vayu, Agni has less pervasiveness. How much? 1/10. So therefore, Agni is 1/10 of Vayu. If Vayu pervades 100 units, 700 what units? Some area, acre, land, just an example. Then Agni will be 1/10 of that. Iti Puraneshu Uktam. It is not my statement. Natu mama kapola kalpitam taratamyam iti Puraneshu Uktam. So Dashamshataha Agnihi Nyunaha Bhavati. Then Vannihi Kutra Prakalpitaha Vayo Prakalpitaha Vannihi. Vayo Prakalpitaha Vannihi Dashamshataha Vayo Nyunaha Bhavati. That is Vakya. You can make like that. Simple. Doing Anvaya and then creating a the being Anvaya of this Padacheda and being Anvaya of this shloka. Vayo Kutra Prakalpitaha Vannihi. Where Vanni, the Agni is Kalpita, is Kalpita, it is Prakalpitam Bhavati. Everything is Kalpita. Brahma is the Adhara on which the entire thing is Kalpita, starting from Maya. Maya Kalpita, Kutra Brahmani. And Akasha is Kalpita, Maya. Then Vayu is Kalpita, Akasha. Similarly, now here, Vadnihi Prakalpitaha Asti Kutra. It is superimposed on what? Vayu. Vayo Prakalpita Vannihi Dashamshataha Nyunaha Bhavati. Vayoho. The Vanni which is Prakalpita on Vayu, it is 1/10 less pervasive. 1/10 less pervasive of Vayu. 1/10 of Vayu less pervasive. Is less pervasive. This Vagnihi. The Vanni which is projected on Vayu. Vayu is the Adhisthana. Therefore Prakalpitaha. Adhishtanatvat. Vayu Prakalpitaha. Vayuhu Adhisthana Bhavati. Vayuhu Adhisthanaha Bhavati. Tatra Tasmin Vayu Vannihi Prakalpitaha. Vanni is projected, superimposed. So Vayu is the Adhishtanam. Therefore, Vayu Prakalpitaha is Agni, which is 1/10 less pervasive. Iti Taratamyam, Bhuta Panchake Dashamshehi Taratamyam Puraneshu Uktam Asti. This Taratamiam, Tadita word, Taratamapo Gaha, Tarat and Tamap, they together called Ga Sanya. Okay, Ga Sanya is different, but when you use Tarap Tamap, that also is a Tarap. Tamap is superlative. Tara is comparative. Tarap Pratyaya. Ya Tadita Pratyayas. Ya Tadita. Sukshma Tara. Sukshma Tama. Tamatvam. Taratvam. The Tarap Tama Pratyaya. So the Taratama itself become one word, and the Tadita word of that. Taratamyam. Pratipadikam is Taratama originally. And the Tadita Pratyaya, Shain Pratyaya, therefore Tara will become Adivriddhi Tara. Then Taratama plus Shain. Shain Pratyaya is content is Ya. Then Yasyeti cha by that sutra, Angasya, Akarasya, Lopaha, Bhavati, Yasyeti cha. Therefore Taratamyam, Taratamya. Taratamya iti Napumsakalinga, Taratamyam. Taratamyam asti. Taratamyam iti Pratama Vibhakti Napumsakalinga. भूतपञ्चके दशांशैः तारतम्यं पुराणेषु उक्तम्. कर्मणि तारतम्यम् उक्तम्. तारतम्य is talked about. Taratanya it is talked about in the Purana. दशांशैः पंचसु भूतेषु भूतपञ्चके starting from आकाश इत्यादयः यथाक्रमं this differences न्यूनपरिमाणाः उक्तमस्ति तारतम्यम् उक्तमस्ति भूतपञ्चके. Among the elements there is the gradation is there. दशांशैः उक्तम्. दशांशैः तृतीया. It is दशांशैः uktam. The gradation is talked about in the Purana. 1/10 the gradation talked about. So the gradation between the elements is 1/10. The difference between the elements is 1/10. 1/10 Taratamya. In that gradation, the elements are there and they are talked about in the Purana. Brahmanda Purana issue. So therefore, the Taratamya is Pramana. It is not something we are saying. It is Pramana. Taratamyam Puraneshu Uttam. Vayogo Kiyatam Shena Nyunaha Vanihi Itiyaha. How much less Vagnihi compared to Vayu, if you ask. That is said here. Vayogo iti tasya vastavatva shankam varayati Vayu iti. The other removes that, the doubt, how much it is Nyunaha. Nanu ayam Nyuna Adhika Bhavaha Swa Kapolakalpitaha. It is not something we say out of our own mind. It is not our Kapolakalpitaha. So one may think it is Kapolakalpita. No. Iti ashankya Puraneshu Uktam iti. Purana. Therefore, since it is told in the Purana and the author of the Purana is Vyasacharya, therefore how can we doubt him? Since we have Shraddha in the Shastra, therefore Purana also, with regard to this, we can take this as a Pramana, and therefore Puraneshu Taratamyam Uktam. So Dashamshehi Bhuta Panchake, this Nyuna Adhika Bhavaha Asti. How do we say it is Nyunaha? Vannihi Nyunaha, Dashamshataha, Vayoho, Katam Vaktam Shakyate. Puraneshu Uktam Taratamyam, Dashamshehi Bhuta Panchake. Taratamyam Uktam Asti. And Taratamya starts, the most least pervasive is Prithvi. And that which pervasive, all pervasive, not all pervasive, that which is relatively more pervasive is Akasha. So how much the difference in terms of pervasiveness between the elements, Dashamsha, and it is Puraneshu Uktam. This Nyuna Parimanaha Vidyante Bhuta Panchake Tata Uktam Puraneshu Taratam Iti. Then Vanni Vivekaha. Vanni Vivekaha, Vannau, Agnau, Ke Gunaha, Atava Vannehe Kaha Subhavaha. Iti Uktamasti Agrima, Loke 89 Shloka. That we will see in the next class. Yata Vayo Chatvara Gunaha, Swagunaha, Karani Bhuta Gunaha Pisanti, Sapta Gunaha, Sapta Gunatmakaha Vayu, Tadvata Atrapi, Vannehe Gunaha Subhavaha Uktaha Santi. Then we do Vanni Viveka, establish Nistatva Rupatva of Vanni. Therefore, Vanni is also dismissed. It is also not the truth. What is truth is only the Sat Brahma. Iti Yata Kritam Tadvata Atrapi. All the elements he will do. That is why it's called Pancha Mahabhuta Viveka Prakaranam. This we will see. We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. हरि ओम धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶರಣ್.
धन्यवादः।